Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. VSCode installed, Python 3. 8 or newer available, and the Python and Jupyter extensions enabled. Once done, open your project folder in VSCode and use the integrated terminal to verify Python version and pip list. Make sure your desired interpreter appears in the status bar. If not, select it via command palette. Then create a new IPN file or open an existing notebook to begin executing cells immediately. Next, pick the correct kernel. Click the kernel selector in the top right of the notebook and choose your interpreter or environment. If your environment lacks ipykernel, install it with pip install ipykernel and register it as a kernel. This lets the notebook run in that env. Once the kernel is selected, run a quick print hello test. If you install packages after startup, restart the kernel so imports resolve correctly and watch the output and Python extension logs for hints. Finally, run cells using Shift plus Enter or the Run All command to execute the notebook from top to bottom. This ensures state consistency. Use the Variable Explorer and the interactive window for quick inspections and to debug stepwise. If you hit errors like missing modules or mismatched versions, make sure the selected interpreter matches the environment you installed packages into, reinstall ipykernel if needed, and restart the kernel. One key troubleshooting tip: switching the kernel to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.